Chapter 16. Celebrating Our Country's Pride. Let's learn Republic Day, Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti. The land of India is considered as a land of colourful festivals where the air is filled with the fragrance of joy and celebrations almost all around the year. The country celebrates various flares of regional, spiritual, religious and social festivals. Apart from all the above, the country also shares moments of national celebrations, the time when the whole nation comes together and collectively celebrates the occasions at the same time and date. National festivals are celebrated to observe the occurrence of great historical events of national importance. Such festivals inculcate a strong feeling of patriotism in the minds of Indians. India celebrates 3 national festivals every year. Republic Day. Republic Day is one of the 3 national festivals of India and the greatest occasion celebrated on a large scale in the country. It is celebrated every year on January 26 in New Delhi with great pomp and show, and in the capitals of the states and other headquarters with patriotic warmth. The most spectacular celebrations are marked by the Republic Day parade that takes place in the capital of India, New Delhi at Rajpath. It includes a ground march past of the 3 armed forces, massive parades, folk dances by artists from different states in colourful costumes, marking the cultural unity of India. Further, the impressive flypast of jet planes of the Indian Air Force, leaving a trail of coloured smoke, marks the end of the proceedings. Children are given bravery awards. Republic Day. On August 15, 1947, India became free from the British rule. So, this day is celebrated as our Independence Day. In all the schools and colleges across India, no academic work is done on Independence Day, but all the students and staff members remain present in their respective educational institutions to celebrate the day. A sort of social gathering is arranged in the educational institutions wherein cultural programs are organized. Flag hoisting ceremony takes place within their respective premises. As the flag is hoisted by the head of the institution, mostly the principal, students sing the national anthem, give respect to their flag and pledge to uphold the sovereignty of the country. Students and teachers celebrate the day at their respective educational institutions, while others back home spend the day either by going for an outing or watching special programs on television. Majority of the people tune in to Doordarshan in the morning to watch the live telecast of Prime Minister's speech at the Red Fort in Delhi, as it is a major venue of the freedom struggle of India. Various TV channels also telecast cultural programs, movies related to our freedom struggle, apart from the patriotic songs that regenerate the dormant patriotism in people. Info Hive. A 21-gun salute is given every year when the President of India hoists the national flag on the Republic Day to mark the occasion. Gandhi Jayanti. The birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, popularly known as the father of the nation, is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. He was the man who played a significant role in achieving independence for India from the British rule. His real name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, but he was known as Bapu or Gandhiji. He was born on October 2, 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. Gandhiji was a preacher of Satyagraha, that is truth, and Ahimsa, that is non-violence. He started the Satyagraha movement for the Indian freedom struggle. He believed in living a simple life and in use of Swadeshi materials. He proved to the world that freedom can be achieved through the path of moral force and non-violence. Gandhiji was a true symbol of moral strength, peace and truth. This festival is not marked by any speech or parade. It is more a day of prayers and tributes. The main function is held at Rajghat, the memorial where he was cremated. Representatives of all religions read and preach from their holy books, since Gandhiji respected all religions. Info Hive. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, India's first Prime Minister, hoisted the national flag 17 times from the ramparts of the Red Fort on the Independence Day. Recap. Republic Day is the greatest national festival celebrated on 26 January on a large scale in the country. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year in India. The birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi is celebrated on October 2nd as Gandhi Jayanti.